Next, we will do the challenge lab, creating a VPC networking for the Café. Now, the Sofía and Nikhil separated the Café's database layer from the web application layer. They also moved the database resources from a public subnet to a private subnet. So Mateo now advises them to enhance the security by running the Café's application server in a private subnet that is separate from the database instances. In this challenge lab, which I believe this is one of the most important practical lab that you will do in my class. You create a public subnet, creating a bastion host, then you allocate an elastic IP address to the bastion host, you test the connection to the bastion host, you create a private subnet, and then you create an ad gateway, then you create an EC2 in that private subnet, and now you want to test that you can use SSH client for SSH pass-through, and you test the connection from your bastion host to the private resources you have in the private subnet. And then finally, you need to create a network access list and test it that you can still access those private resources. So the final product of this lab will look like this diagram. Thank you for seeing this class, creating a networking environment, and see you in the next lesson.